This podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, let's board my imaginary boat heading to number 70 in Big Clock Street. My city is full of details that we rarely pay attention to. Here, for example, a wooden sculpture representing the three graces. But who are they and what do they represent? Well, in Greek mythology, the three graces are known as the Charites. The Charites are goddesses embodying life in all its fullness, and more specifically seduction, beauty, nature, human creativity, and fertility. They would bear the names of Thalie, which means the verdant one, Euphrosyne, which means the joy of the soul, and Aglaé, the brilliant one. These deities are considered to be benevolent and kind. Why were they carved there? No source can lift the veil on this point, but we can hypothesize that they were sculpted to protect the home of a former owner, or even to bring luck to the latter, or rather to the latter.